Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Learning Project. Tonight, we are going to be doing doing something a little different. We are going to be doing a recorded session here. So we're just going to take a little bit of time, and I will be joining you shortly with a few updates and a few pieces I want to share with you. All right. So let's get started now that we are ready to go. So I want to go over a couple of things with you. One of the sections in your C.D.A portfolio, we really want to take time to um, set up the book section. So this is a little guide that I created so that you can follow along with it. So first of all, books for the C.D.A portfolio, ideas that rock. So the focus really in this position or this area, you're going to be collecting 10 books that are diverse. Okay. For each section, I really would recommend if you guys can get this set up. I'll put a template in the classroom as well as on Facebook. You can go right here, put your title of your book in, your author, and a overview of the book so you can tell a little bit about what it's all about. This is another one of my examples. So this is actually a book called One Family. And basically, I used a generator to actually get this cited the way it is. So I'll show you how to do that. And then just a short overview of this book. Here's a few tips I want you to keep in the back of your mind. One, you want to make sure that you have diverse books. When I say diverse, I'm talking about people of different ages, race, cultures, cultural backgrounds, abilities, gender, family, and structures, as well as self reflection so children can be proud of who they are and celebrate that in these different books. If you haven't read a large selection of diverse books, one of the things I really want to challenge you is to do a little bit of research so that you can learn about how to develop your understanding and your repertoire of different books that are out there for students and children and all of that good stuff. So, I want to introduce you to a few resources through this little training program here. So I want to put something on your screen here. This is one of my favorite websites that I just got into. Um, it's called we need diverse books.org. Again, we need diverse books.org. It is absolutely beautiful. The thing that I love about this is it's a simple website that really helps you find what you are looking for. And so these are different organizations that provide or can help you find different literature based on certain cultural backgrounds or genders, abilities, all kinds of things. I really recommend this website. They do a lot of um, updates and all of that good stuff. And you can donate to this program as well as you can get involved. There's so many different resources as well in this. So, if you are interested in learning more about diverse books and resources and programs, you can go right up here and you can actually look right into it and get an understanding of how to become a part of this community of diversity. There's different reads, writes, there's blogs, also there is opportunities for you to learn about their team and about them and different questions that you may have as an educator. The next thing I want to introduce you to is this site generator. So this is called a site machine, and you can use this at any point during your research. You don't have to use the site machine in order to get all of the pieces that you need that I was showing. But if you wanted to, I really want to show you how this works. So basically, you would come right up here. You would type in one family. That's what I did. And then you're going to look down here for the book that you are referring to, which is this one. It's published by Scholastic. And so it's going to say what information it was able to complete or find. You can hit final steps. It puts your author in spaces here, the name of the book and the year that it was published, and you want to hit create citation. And then it's right here. You can hit copy and you're good to go. I'm doing MLA on this one. Some people like to do like APA or whatever, but MLA is something that's super simple and common. And so you can use that with no problem whatsoever. So want to go back to this little tip sheet. So I copied and pasted the citation here, and then I would just add the overview of the actual book right here. I want to also introduce you to one other thing here. So if you are not a very diverse reader and you're like, I really need to get more reads in, don't judge my playlist and all my things I'm watching, you guys. I'm gonna try to look up one family. I'm gonna type in here children's book. Boom. So this actually has a ton of different books about family, or books that are very similar to one family. And you can actually read them and go through them. This same difference. Oh my goodness. Such a great book, phenomenal author. I will be posting this on the website tonight or on Facebook tonight so that you guys can check it out. It is such a phenomenal book that's focusing on colorism. And if you don't know what colorism is, we're going to actually be doing a little training on it so you can learn more about it. It's absolutely phenomenal, all these different books that you can read. And a lot of times we don't even think about going on YouTube or Audible to actually find books and learn about books. There's so many great books that are written by students and kids and all different kind of people out there. So I just want to help you guys get familiar with some resources to help you grow and develop. Our next section in the C.D.A. course, we're going to be actually exploring different children's books, and it's going to be so much fun. I absolutely love this part. So I'm very excited for you guys to be a part of this journey and definitely looking forward to learning more about how books can impact children and help them grow in ways that we never thought before. Thanks so much for listening. This is Stephanie Courtney with the Learning Project, and have a great night.